Hey Val, thank you for having the conversation we had yesterday. As promised, here's this quick video just showing you how you can get leads without having to continue to pay for one Google Ads or just ads in general. Now, Google Ads is a good form of getting really quick clients coming in, but it does cost a little bit more in the long run. So I'm just going to jump right to it. So essentially what we do, Val, looking at your website, there's a couple things that we do, and I'm going to break it down for you. But essentially, the goal is for clients to look at your websites organically. Okay. And one of the ways is using Google. So let's just jump right to it. Okay. So if we were to go to Google, and I know that you service Riverside, because these are the areas that I see on your specific website. Now, if you service other areas, the goal is to be in front of those customers within those given areas. Okay, but I'm just going to stick with Riverside. Okay, and I'm familiar with the area. So let's just go with Riverside and see if you're showing up. If people are searching for example, I know you do HVAC, which would be a combination of residential and also commercial. But I'm just going to type in AC repair Riverside and see what pops up. And the reason why I chose this specific keyword, Val, is because it's a buyer intent keyword. So what that means is anybody that's searching for AC repair, you know right away they're needing some type of help on their AC unit. And in a second, you know that they're in the Riverside area. So we want to make sure that you're being optimized for Riverside. Now, I took one of your competitors, okay, which is the MSP Heating and Air. The reason why I took these guys as one of your top competitors because of the following. Actually, I took IE Comfort. So the reason why, so this is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand how well your website's performing or any given website. So in this case, I'm just going to look at the keywords, what type of keywords they're being optimized. And if we look at, let's go AC Repair Riverside, this is the volume. So what this means is 150 residential and commercial combination, estimated amount are searching for this keyword every single month. Okay? Now with that information, let's take AC Repair and let's take it section by section. So this is the Google Guarantee section. Okay? This is a Google ad, if you will. Same thing with this. So essentially, when you were to message or call, you would get charged what is called a CPC, a cost per click. And we do that type of work. But what I'm showing you here is the organic without having to pay for those. Okay? And this is for Riverside. Now, this is another ad here. So these are the type of ads that we do generate. But what I'm talking about is the organic listings. Okay? So if we look at the Google My Business profile or page, these are the businesses that are essentially popping up organically. Okay, they're not doing any ads; they're just popping up organically. And the goal here, Val, is to get you on those specific keywords for all of the areas that you service. Once you do that, you're going to get these calls organically. You see that? And these are some of your competitors in the Riverside area. And I'm looking for you guys, and I don't see you, which is okay, right? Because those are the services that we offer. Some of the things that's going to help increase your rankings for your Google My Business page is getting reviews, optimizing your Google My Business page for this given area or Riverside, doing some press releases, a lot of off-page SEO stuff is what you want to get done, because those are things that as the months progress, you're going to get ranked higher on Google for the areas that you service. Okay. And then the last thing that we would want to do as well is be able to rank your website. Now, looking at your website though and looking at the performance, you're not being ranked for any, or you're not being indexed for any keywords. So in this case, I would recommend redesigning and redeveloping your website so that way keywords are being indexed on your website. Like for example, this competitor here, right? They got AC Repair Riverside, Riverside Air Conditioner Repair, and so forth. So this guy's being ranked for all of these keywords, which is great because once again, it helps with where you're being ranked for in what areas. Okay. And that's just setting the foundation. At that point, then we would go and be able to rank your website and your Google My Business page on a monthly basis. And that's how you're going to be able to get organic calls coming your way. Okay. And this, like I mentioned, we do want to do it for every location, but it will take some time, but it is feasible. This is a term that's long term versus short term when it comes to your specific ads, right? Long term, your business will continue to grow organically and you will get more calls organically and your business will grow as well. Anyway, Val, I'm looking forward to talking to you and get your thoughts. We'll talk soon.